Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to discuss about series. Okay. So already earlier classes we have discussed about sequences and arithmetic sequence. Yes, arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, short form AP. Okay. So sequence and arithmetic progressions we discussed. Okay. Here now we are going to learn series. What is mean by series? You see, the sum of the terms of sequence, the sum of the terms of a sequence, is called series. This is called series. So you want to add, so already we know that the sequence is a1 comma a2 comma a3 a4 up to etc an. Yes, so the sequence generally we can choose like that, be a sequence. So it is called series, means you should add a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus some of the terms of the sequence is called series. Some of the terms of the sequence is called series. Okay, so this is called series. Some of the terms of the sequence is called series. Okay, in a series we can split it as finite series and infinite series. Finite and infinite series will be there. In a series, finite number of terms will be there, it is called finite series. Infinite number of terms will be there, means it is called infinite series. Okay, there are two series, so finite series and infinite series. So finite number of terms are there, means finite series. Infinite number of terms are is there, means it is called infinite series. Okay, next, sum to n terms of an AP. What is arithmetic progression and sum of n terms? So n terms you should add, means in a AP n terms you should add, means what is the formula want to come, you see. Okay, so see what is mean by arithmetic series. Okay, here series, next arithmetic series means, so we know that AP look likes A plus D, A plus 2D, so up to etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so this you should add. Okay, sum of the arithmetic progression AP arithmetic series is arithmetic series. Okay, so you should add a plus d, these terms you should be added. Okay, so this you should add up to n times a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so you should add, arithmetic progression is called arithmetic series. Okay, so see in that AP you should add up to n times, means sum of n to n terms of an AP, means that formula is, you see, Sn is equal to, okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so in arithmetic progression, nth term how we want to find, means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, at the same procedure here, the arithmetic progression you should be added up to n terms, means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, want to use this formula. Okay, suppose here last term is given, means last term is given, Sn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, in arithmetic series there are two formulas is there. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the last term is given, means Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, so using these two formula we are going to solve exercise problem. Okay, see, See, exercise 2.6, first question, first point. Find the sum of the following. So, one of the arithmetic progression is given. Up to 40 terms should be added. What is the answer? Question asked. Okay. So, 3, 7, 11, up to 40 terms should be added. What is the value of this arithmetic progression? Okay. See solution first. So you should be added. So you choose, let Sn is equal to sum of the sequence is equal to, let Sn is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus up to 40 terms. So it is an AP, so that you want to find first term. First term A is equal to 3, then common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So 7 minus 3, 4. Next, here n is equal to 40. Okay, so we know that sum of the series, arithmetic series Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now instead of n, 40. So 40 by 2 bracket of 2 times of a value is 3 plus n is 40, 40 minus 1 into d is, what does that means? D is 4. So 4. Now here is it is possible you cancel, or else you should write as it is. So 40 by 2 cancel means 20 of 2 3s are 6. First you should multiply plus here 40 minus 1 39. So 39 into 4. So 39 into 4. First you should multiply 39 into 4. After that you add with 6. Then you will get answer. Okay. Now you see. So now 20 of 6 plus 39 into 4 you should multiply. Okay. 9 4s are 36. 3. 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 15. So 156. 156, 20 into 156 plus 6 you should have means 162. So you should multiply this 20, 162 into 20 you should multiply 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 1, then 2 1s are 2, 3. So sum of 40 terms should be added. You will receive the answer 3240. Okay. 3240. So given AP, so you should be added up to 40 terms. We will receive the answer 3240. See next third point. Second point, first point like want to do it. Okay. So third point you see different. Given question itself is given plus. So 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus up to etc plus 97. Okay. Up to 97 should be added this series. Okay. This series. What is the answer we will receive? We want to find. For that first we want to know here how many terms are there. N how many terms are there in that series? How many terms? T1, T2, T3 up to etc. How many terms are there? Totally N how many terms are there? We want to know. Okay, then only we can apply the formula. For that first want to find N. Okay, so see solution. First you should write given series is 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus up to etc plus 97. So first you should write first term. First term A is equal to 6. Then common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. So 13 minus 6 you will receive as a 7. Okay. D is 7. Now next see here L last term is given. Last term L is equal to 97. So we know that already in that sequence totally how many terms are there? I want to find n is equal to the same formula you want to use here. N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So use and find how many terms are there in that series. Okay. So first L is 97 minus A is 6 whole divided by D is 7 plus 1. So should be separated 91 by 7 plus 1. So 91 by 7. So you should cancel 91 by 7. We will receive the answer 13. 13 plus 1 it should be added. We will get 14. Okay, here 13 plus 1 it should be added 14. Therefore, number of terms in that series 14 terms are there. N is equal to 14. Therefore, sum of 14 terms should be added means sum of 14 terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So last term is given means you want to use this formula n by 2 into a plus l. So last term is not given, you want to use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That formula we want to use. Okay, common difference formula want to use. Here L is given means this formula easily. Now how many terms are there? Given series 14 terms. So S14 is equal to 14 by 2, A is 6 plus L is 97. Okay, now see, simplify 14 by 2 is it is possible can cancel or else write as it is 7 into, okay, this to be added means we will get it as the 103. Okay, so now this should multiply means we will receive the answer 721. Therefore, given series there are 14 terms are there, that 14 terms should be added, we will receive the answer 721. Okay, that's all. See, next second question. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? Okay, this we want to find. So, the starting term with the 5 integers, odd integers we want to choose. Starting term 5. Next odd integer is 7. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14. Okay. 13, 15, 17 like that it will go on. So this you should be added how many terms we will receive the answer 480 we want to find. Okay, question understand? N we want to find. So for that see solution first according to given information given that first 5 plus, so the sum of the series is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13 plus, okay, sorry, 11 plus up to etc plus n term should be added, we will receive the answer is 480. We will receive the answer is 480. Okay, now see here you check it. So see, n we want to find. For that first you should write in the series first term. First term a is equal to 5. Then common difference d is equal to 7 minus t2 minus t1. So 7 minus 5 we will receive as a 2. Okay, d is equal to 2. So here sum of the terms you should be added. Sn is equal to 480. Sn is equal to 480. Now, so we know that Sn formula, yes. So therefore this implies we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, because your last term is not the last term n. Okay, we can use that formula or this formula also, we will receive the answer. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now use this value we know. Sn value is 480. 480 is equal to n we do not know, n only want to find, so n by 2 into 2 times of a value is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Okay, d is 2. Now 2 will come this side, so 480 into 2 is equal to n of 2 5s are 10 plus this 2 is common for both also. So you should multiply 2n minus 2. 2 ones are 2. So 2n minus 2 you will receive. So then next step you see you change and write this 480 into 2. So or else you should multiply 480 into 2 you should multiply, we will receive, okay, 0, 4 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, 960 is equal to n of, okay, n of, here 10 minus 2 we will receive as a 8 plus 2n, 8 plus 2n you will receive. So then next step, so 960 is equal to n, you should multiply inside, means 8n plus 2n square. So this, that's why it goes 0 is equal to first 2n square term, next 8n, next minus 960. So you should change and write this 2n square plus 8n minus 960 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a quadratic equation. Then this also, what is common means 2 table is common, so you should divide it by 2. So you should divide it by 2. N square plus 4 2s are 8 minus this is divided by 2, we will receive as a 480 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation solved by factorization method. So n squared coefficient is 1. So 1 into, here 1 is the meaning, 1 into minus 480 minus 480. So multiply means 480, add means plus 4 want to get. So what is the answer? 24 into 20. 24 into 20, you should multiply means we will receive as a 480. Then here we want to get positive 4 means instead of plus 20 use minus 20. Now 24 into minus 20, you should multiply minus 480. 24 20 go means 4. Therefore the factor is here, the factor is n plus 24, because n square coefficient 1 directly we can write. So n plus 24, n minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, this rough work you should write. Okay, this is a factor of this quadratic equation. Now both also equate means n plus 24 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus 24. Here n minus 20 is equal to 0, plus minus 20, that's why go plus 20, n is equal to 20. Okay, n we received 2 answer, but here n should not consider as a negative, because a sum of the consecutive odd integers, so that here n can't be negative. Therefore n is equal to 20. Therefore here 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus up to 20 terms should be added. We will receive the answer is 480. Okay, therefore sum of 20 consecutive odd integers to be added, beginnings integers beginning with 5 will sum to 48, sorry 480. Okay, so 20 terms should be added, we will receive the answer is 480. Next see third question. Find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Okay, actually before questions it is given sequence, so we added. Okay, first question it is given sequences, arithmetic progression is given, so we added and we received that answer. Yes, so here in this question, okay, before question also it is we made it as a series and we received the answer. Here also first we want to make it as a series. Okay, first series we want to find, then we should be added 28 terms, we will receive the answer. Okay, so for that it is given nth term is 4n minus 3. Okay, so see solution. Here it is given Tn, nth term Tn is equal to 4n minus 3. So we want to know first term and common difference. For that first you substitute, put n is equal to 1. So yeah, n is equal to 1 means T1 is equal to 4 times of 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 3 we will receive as a 1. Next put n is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to 4 times of 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 3 we will receive as a 5. Next put n is equal to 3. Okay, T3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 3 we will receive as a 9. Okay, so up to etc. it will go on. Therefore, the series is 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus up to etc. We want to find sum of 28 terms. Find sum of first 28 terms. 28 terms of an AP. 28 terms of an AP. Okay, for that first you see, therefore you choose, let this series you can choose, let Sn is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus up to etc. up to 28 terms should be added, we will receive the answer. Okay, for that first term we received, what is that? First term A is equal to 1, then common difference second term minus first term, so T2 minus T1, 5 minus 1 we will receive as a 4. Okay, then next here n is equal to 28. Okay, here n is equal to 28. So we know that sum of 28 terms should be added. This is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula want to use. So use, then we will receive the answer. Therefore, S 28 is equal to 28 by 2 of 2 times of a is 1 plus n is 28, 28 minus 1 into d is 4. Okay, now 28 into 2 you should cancel, means we will receive as a 14. 14 of 2 ones are 2 plus 28 minus 1, 27 into 4. First 27 you should multiply with 4, then after that answer you should add with 2. Okay, so now 14 of 2 plus this you should multiply, means 108. So you will receive as a 108. So next step you should be add. Okay, so 14 into this you should add, means 110. Okay, so 110 you should multiply with the 14, means we will receive 1540. Therefore, yes, given series 28 terms should be added, we will receive the answer 1540. This is the answer. That's all.